Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add and embed a Google form on your Canva website. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, head over to Google Forms and open the form you want to embed on your website. This could be a contact form, survey, registration form, or any other type of form you've created. Make sure you have the form ready and finalized before moving forward with the embedding process. Once your form is open, look for the Publish button at the top of the page and click on it. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify that you want to publish the form. Go ahead and click Publish again to confirm. This step is essential because it generates a shareable link that you'll need for embedding the form into your Canva website. After publishing, you'll see a link appear on your screen. Click the Copy button next to this link to copy the Google Forms URL to your clipboard. This link is what Canva will use to display your form directly on your website, so make sure it's copied correctly. Now navigate to your Canva homepage. Once you're there, look at the left sidebar and click on More, then select Apps from the options that appear. This will take you to Canva's app marketplace where you can find various integrations and tools to enhance your website. In the search bar at the top of the apps page, type in Embed and hit Enter. You'll see the Embed app appear in the search results. Click on Embed to open it and then select Use an existing design. This option allows you to add the embedded content directly to a website design you've already created. A list of your existing designs will appear, so find the website design where you want to add the form and select it. Once your design opens, you'll see a field labeled Website Link. Paste the Google Forms link you copied earlier into this field. This tells Canva exactly what content to embed on your website. After pasting the link, click Add to Design. Canva will process the link and insert the form as an embedded element on your page. Give it a moment to load and appear on your canvas. Now you'll see the embedded form displayed on your website design. Click on it to select it and then drag the corners to resize it according to your layout preferences. You can make it larger to fill more space or keep it compact depending on your design needs. Position it wherever it looks best on your page. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Google form on your Canva website, making it easy for visitors to submit information directly without leaving your site. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.